base, evaluation, and practice. Knowledge capacity building. Knowledge capacity building initiative will empower educators not only to meet but exceed the standards of quality teaching. Together, we individual reformers, where observations are developmental, portfolios are purposeful, and every classroom becomes a space for meaningful growth, provoke teachers and learners. Once again, good morning. And open it up now. Thank you, and God bless you.
At this point, we will hear a warm welcome message from our principal from Espiridion F. Incabo Memorial High School, Sir Johnny Enricoso. A round of applause, please.
Thank you, ma'am. A pleasant greetings to everyone, especially to our guests, Dr. Imelda Alvarez, members of the training staff, speakers. Your coming to this video is really worth, because today is the time for you to learn from the horse mouth. So if you have doubts and clouds in your mind this morning, we are very accommodating. So please entertain your questions. For my task is to tell you with the nicest video as much as possible, but please have mercy. These are only the thing that we can offer to you. No? We have aircon, yes, we have electric fans, we have CRs there. Just to inform you, that CR there, the CR is still on renovation. So it's a nice condition. You can proceed there at the back. We have CRs there for male and female. We have also CRs from different rooms, so you can find yourself comfortable there. And for your any thing you would like to ask for us, so if we cannot promise that we can give the best thing to you, but at least just try, because we will accommodate everything for you. Thank you and good morning. Welcome.